Masking is about to be required in Pennsylvania schools, both public and private. The governor's team issued that mandate today.
This comes after months of saying they would not put any statewide mask requirements in place. But the health secretary says as COVID cases surge among children, that situation has changed. Hannah Brandt joins us live from the state capitol tonight with more. Hannah.
Alicia, Valerie, the health secretary issued the mandate under the Disease Prevention and Control Act. There are some exemptions, like for medical reasons and when students are doing physical activity, but for the most part, students and teachers will have to mask up starting next week.
Do you love school?
Yeah.
When PA kids head to class, they'll need to be masked.
Wearing a mask in school is necessary to keep our children in the classroom and to keep COVID out of that classroom.
The Wolf administration taking the choice away from local districts that have become a flashpoint for heated debates.
It's been proven masks make us safer.
In the Mechanicsburg district, where the board made masking optional, some parents are excited.
As the cases started to mount, it became pretty obvious from a public health standpoint, this was the right thing to do.
Others are upset.
When parents have the right to choose to make medical decisions for their kids, that was always the best outcome. But now having that choice stripped away from us feels like a big defeat.
Christina Fleischer put her kids in private school this year to try to avoid changing COVID rules and masking. Now she's worried they'll have to wear them anyways.
The right to breathe is a pretty fundamental right, and when we've tried to put masks on our kids, they yank them off instantaneously. They're saying, "Mama, I can't breathe. I can't breathe through my nose," and I just can't imagine them doing that for 6-7 hours a day.
Republicans also railing against the new rule.
Many families believe their school board got it right and believe that those decisions are best made at the local school district level. As you know, the governor has been saying for the last month.
But the governor argued when lawmakers didn't mandate masks, he was left with no choice.
I'm the one left holding the bag. I'm the one that has to make the decision.
Many are thankful he did.
This is responsible governance that's supposed to protect our children and, by extension, people like me, families and other people around, as we work our way through this crisis and hopefully cut through all this misinformation.
While others are scrambling to keep their kids unmasked.
It would be a complete detriment to their learning, their social health, their emotional health, and it's just not a risk we're willing to take. So it's virtual learning or an alternative school.
The governor's team does say it's up to local districts to enforce the mask mandate. Meanwhile, a group of Republican lawmakers sent out a statement today telling districts that they should just ignore the governor and the health secretary and should just go with whatever decision they made on masking originally. Live at the Capitol, Hannah Brandt, ABC 27 News.